Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 22nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Tattoo Chef today and how it's a penny stock. Yeah, I know Tattoo Chef. All of 2021, there's a plethora of videos on YouTube of everyone trying to pump up this stock. And look at it. Just look at it. I mean, you tell me. Look at this stock. I mean, you've seen plenty of videos of people trying to pump up Tattoo Chef, and you tell me, what has it garnered them? Like, what has it really benefited you all who follow those YouTube videos, telling that Tattoo Chef in the next 5 years is going to be worth a lot of money, but yet and still price continues to go down? And many of you are looking at your account holding Tattoo Chef because you're seeing your losses increase. So now you're really going to be a bag holder and sit here and hold a losing play, all because of what some person was trying to gauge and say that this market in Tattoo Chef was going to go up in the long term. Now look at this. This started back in May 2020. It's been 2 years. So this is 2 years already worth of price action. So if you bought this in May 2020, and you're trying to hold this for 5 years, you already lost 3 years. When if you bought, let's say you bought it in May, at the high in September of the same year, that's 160% profitability. But yet and still, many of you tell me that this is a growth company, or many of you would say, well, you know, in the next 5 years, it could go up higher. No, the opportunity for you to take the bag was from May to September of 2020. That was 160% that you was up in the market. But you're letting these people tell you that you need to hold stocks for the long term. No, the opportunity was you to take the bag in a couple of months. And now you're sitting below where you bought the market in May of 2020. The price of Tattoo Chef is a lot less. You're losing now. All because of this so-called notion of people wanting you to hold stocks for the long term. The long term does not benefit you if the market is not doing this. Long term means you want to see your equity curve continually go up. You want to see a market do this in the long term, right? You want to see the market continue to give you this in a 5-year span. You still want to see the price long term for the market that you just bought eventually go up. Always show you an upward increase in your equity. This is what you want to see for 5 years. Not what Tattoo Chef is showing up in 2 years already. This is the environment that this game is meant to be played. Every stock is not going to give you a 5-year play like that. There's only minimal stocks that give you that. Minimum. And even those stocks eventually is going to break that 5-year long-term hold. And it's going to go down for 5 years. So if you guys appreciate my videos, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. Let me go ahead and talk about why I think Tattoo Chef is a penny stock right now. But first, let me talk about what I did last time. Did a video, beginning of March. The video is still available, and I was playing the strength into the market and Tattoo Chef. Now, check it. Go back and listen to what I said. Go back and listen. I gave us a price target around $13.25 that we can see the price in Tattoo Chef come towards. Sure did. Go back and listen. That would have been the first area for us to come in and take some profitability. And that was the only opportunity that we've had, though. Right here. So from March to, it took us, 30 some days possibly for us to see the market give us 5%. 5%. That was my first price target, was $13.25. Right there. And that was it. Nothing more, nothing less. The market, the buyers in the market for Tattoo Chef could not even bring the price to 14. This is how dead this market is in Tattoo Chef. It doesn't matter how many videos people do about Tattoo Chef and how it's going to be a great player, great stock. Price still is going down. So why in the world would you continue to pump a stock to where the ball has a hole in it. They're trying to pump air into a ball that has holes in it. Tattoo Chef is not that market yet to be pumping. So if you wasn't able to get that 5% out the market, then you'll be down on the close of yesterday around 23, almost 24%. This is why I come in and give price targets and not time frames, because you have no idea. Nobody even know in the next 10 years how much Tattoo Chef is going to be worth. And just imagine all the people who bought up here around 28. The market in Tattoo Chef literally would have to go up just to break even 200%. Just to break even. That's not even grabbing the bag. That's not even grabbing profitability. That is just for the people up here around $28. They have to let the market go up 200% just to break even. That's crazy. That's crazy. So let me get rid of this. Now, take a look. We're even seeing Tattoo Chef, while it was a SPAC, it is now down here almost to all the lows. I don't think many people see this. Look at this. The all-time low is around $8 in Tattoo Chef when it was trading as a SPAC. Yep. Are we on course to see the market in Tattoo Chef come to $8? Let's keep it real. Look at it. It's there. So I think we got an idea. $9 to $8.25. $9, $8.25 is the first area. Okay. This is a bear market for Tattoo Chef, plain and simple. There's no need for us to try to sugarcoat it. When the market looks this way, it tells you how you need to act. You don't need to come in and act like the market is bullish when clearly price is in a downtrend. A massive downtrend. We've been in a downtrend since what, September the 2nd, 2021? And everyone continues to tell you to come in and buy these dips. It's amazing what these people say. All right, so check this out. We're not going to be bullish into the market in Tattoo Chef until we find buyers. It's just that simple. Just that simple. Right here is the restriction area. We're not going to be bullish until we see the market in Tattoo Chef break above 11, at least. Don't even be bullish into the market in Tattoo Chef until we see price break above 11. And it has to be a breakage above with strength. I mean, it needs to be breakage with strength. If the market just cracks and trades above 11 just for a little bit and it doesn't stay up there, we know that that's not a real strong move. It's fake. So let's not get caught up in that. But yeah, $11 is restriction. Okay. Look it down on 2 weeks. 3 weeks. This stock is massively weak. Okay. So let me go ahead and drop this price prediction real quick. I'm not looking for, let me take that off. I'm not looking for Tattoo Chef to go up. Not yet. Okay. Can't do it. Market does not look attractive right now. So here, the first price target was what, $9? Around $9. That gives us what, 6%. Second one is at 8. What was $8.25? $9. Second one's going to be $8.25. Third one is going to be $8 even. So So we got $9, $8.25. I'll say $8.30. That's 12%. Third area is 16. I'm sorry, is $8. Okay. That's the location. That's the area. We're in a downtrend. The market does not have any buyers just yet. The only thing we need to be on the lookout for is if they show up, then we'll understand that we might need to go ahead and run the play and cut it. But as of right now, this is truly a bear market in Tatusha. All right, so now it's your turn. If you guys seen anything different outside of what I talked about, then go ahead and shoot a comment down so all of our community members can actually see what you think, and we'll see which one is actually right. Okay, so now it's your turn, and that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.